every time you start a new AI chat, you lose all context. Your decisions, your project details, your preferences, gone. You have to re-explain everything from scratch. Kiro Knowledge Management, it fixes exactly that. You have persistent context that survives across sessions. It's CLI first, AI powered with persistent memory. Now, other tools have tried to solve this. Cursor has .cursor rule files, but those are static, manually maintained, and don't learn from conversations. We have Windsurf, which has memories, but they're tied to the IDE, and you can't control what gets stored. Claude Code now has auto memory feature, as well as they introduced the dream consolidation feature. It's close to what we are building, but it's per project only with markdown only indexing. It doesn't support any code files or any other formats. Then we have Klein, which has memory bank. It's a community workaround. It's not native. That's why Kiro takes a different approach. It has knowledge management, which is built directly into the CLI. No plugins, no workaround. You can index any folder on your file system, not just a single project. It supports both fast keyword search and semantic AI search. Knowledge bases live at the agent level, but today we are building a memory system, which you can point multiple agents at the same memory folder if you want shared context. And with this memory skill, Kiro automatically detects important context from your markdown files that you own on your machine, plus dream consolidation and agent hooks to keep everything clean. Kiro gives you 6 knowledge commands. You can add files and directories, show your knowledge bases, update existing entries, remove them by name or path, clear everything, or cancel background operations. To get started, enable knowledge management in your settings, then enter a Kiro chat session and use / commands like /knowledge add to index your project. Now there are 2 index types. Fast uses BM25 lexical search. It's lightning fast, instant keyword matching, and low on resources, but requires exact keywords. Best uses semantic search with all mini LM L6 V2. It understands context and meaning, handles natural language queries, and finds related concepts. But of course, it takes longer to index. You can switch between them with a single settings command. So here's how indexing works under the hood. It starts with pattern filtering to include or exclude files, then discovers files recursively, extracts text content, chunks it into searchable pieces, runs background indexing, and finally creates semantic embeddings with AI model. Your indexed knowledge persists across sessions, has semantic search built in, and uses agent-isolated storage. But to solve the memory challenge, I created Kiro Memory Skill, which takes this further with persistent memory across sessions. It now has 3 skills. Load memory automatically retrieves relevant context. Update memory saves important info to files, and consolidate memory is the new dream cycle that prunes stale entries, resolves contradictions, and keeps your memory clean. By default, everything lives in a memory folder, but this path is fully customizable. It comes with organized directories for projects, people, knowledge, decisions, and also archived notes. Install it with a single command, npx Kiro Memory Skill. This is a complete replacement of Obsidian. I don't use that anymore. Notion, I used to use that, but now with this memory system, I am not using it anymore. So here's how the memory works in practice. When saving, you chat as you normally would. Kiro detects important information, the update memory skill categorizes and saves it, and it lands in your memory folder, which is customizable as I mentioned before. When loading, you start a new chat. The agent spawn hook auto loads your Memory.md into context for free. Then load memory runs a semantic search for deeper context. You can trigger saves with phrases like remember this or update memory, and loads happen automatically. I've created this version 2, which I recently released. It comes with this dream consolidation. I want to briefly explain what that is. In your chat, just say dream, and the consolidate memory skill runs 5-phase cleanup cycle. It orients by reading your memory files first, identifies issues like stale entries and contradictions, consolidates by fixing them at the source, converting relative dates to absolute, annotating superseded decisions, merging duplicates, then prunes the Memory.md index to stay under 200 lines. And finally, it reindexes the knowledge base. Now the agent spawn hook tracks sessions, and it will nudge you when it's been 3 or more days or 5 or more sessions since the last dream. Think of it as rapid eye movement sleep cycle that humans have for your memory system. To tie it all together, the setup creates a dedicated agent called Mnemo. The v2 config wires all the 3 skills. It has the load memory, the update memory, and consolidate memory, plus a knowledge base resource that auto-indexes your memory folder on every agent spawn. 2 hooks handle the lifecycle. Agent spawn loads Memory.md into context at startup and tracks the session count, while the stop hook resets the counter after a dream cycle. You launch it with the same command that you normally would, Kiro CLI chat, and specify the agent Mnemo. If you have changed the name, you can change that. And of course, trust all tools if you want to do that. So one command and you have a persistent, self-maintaining, context-aware assistant. Now let's see this in action. When you install the memory skill, which I can refer to my GitHub repository, if you want to contribute to that as well, I'm looking for PRs. You just run npx Kiro memory skill. This walks us through creating a memory folder, installing all the 3 skills. It sets up automatically your hooks. It also asks you to choose between the index type and then creates the agent. The default name is Mnemo. You can call it anything else. And then you start the chat with Kiro CLI chat, specify the agent, and then if it's optional to trust all tools or not. So now when you launch the Mnemo agent, behind the scenes, there's a hook. The agent spawn hook loads your Memory.md into the context automatically. Now let's test this. We'll ask the agent that I'm working on a Vortex API, rewrite using Fastify. Remember that. Remember is the keyword that it triggers the update memory skill. The update memory skill saves this to project and Memory.md with timestamps and bidirectional links, and you can see what it's doing behind the scenes. Now let's start a new chat. The same command, Kiro CLI chat, and specify the agent name and trust all tools if you want to trust all tools. Then ask, what have I been working on? This is a completely new session. The hook loads recent context and the skill fills in the details. So it's persistent memory across session. You can see exactly what we have done in the previous session. Now let's test the dream consolidation. We just asked the agent, we just prompt it with dream. The dream cycle reads all memory files, finds issues, fixes them, and reports what changed. Relative dates get converted, contradictions resolved, duplicates merged. That's Kiro memory. There are 3 skills: agent hooks, auto-indexed, knowledge base, and dream consolidation that keeps your memory clean over time. Link to install is in the description below. If you have any questions or feedback, just leave that in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.